Hi, this is Jack. I'm doing a review on the Spring M-16A4 250 to 300 FPS Airsoft gun. It's got adjustable stock. It's got 60 round magazine, which I think is a lot for a Spring. But the odd thing about this is you open here, you drop the BBs in, and that holds 60. Then you pull this spring down, and once you do that, shake it. Then once this is filled up with BBs, you go like this. It doesn't go all the way to the top though when you do it. And that's it. When you have to reload, you just do it again. Start shaking it and do it until you've wasted all 60. Holds about 16, like 20 in here. Comes with a really bright blue LED flashlight, 2 lights, pitch black in here, and this is what it looks like. It also comes with a laser pointer. We'll see in a second. Doesn't have much to offer, really. It's adjustable stock. Magazine's pretty easy to pull out. Make sure that's closed. And you cock it right here. 1 second. Fairly easy to cock. I didn't cock it all the way because I don't want to dry fire it right now. It's got some good iron sights. What I also like about it is right here it's got a long range sight and then like a shorter range sight. The good gun, I'll be doing a shooting test on it in a second. Pretty accurate. Can from 50 yards away. Knock it over. It's you can take the stock off, but I don't really figure. I've put it on, and then it's got this thing right here. I think you're supposed to push it to take it off or something. Won't come off. It's got a safety right here. I don't know why they put semi. You probably can't see that. This is semi-automatic. Semi-auto. It's a spring, so I don't know why it has that. And it's safe. Safety actually works though. Another thing is you drop something in these. Oh, it's a metal gearbox. Forgot to tell you that. It's pretty much mostly plastic outside. If you drop something in one of the guardrails, you can open it up and take them apart. It falls into 2 pieces, but I duct taped mine closed because it's really hard to get it back on. Here's the button for the laser pointer. Comes with the strap on foregrip. So if you're holding the foregrip, I'll show you this. It's a good gun. And my next video will be a shooting test of it. And that's pretty much it. Thanks.